Hi, today we are going to discuss about the field service module in Odoo. This is the latest version of Odoo 18.3. So we'll go to the module field service. Click on the field service. Then you can see in the front window all the tasks which is assigned to me. On the top you can see my task today or future. So this is by default this is arranged in the order of the date, today date and future dates. Then here you can see there is Kanban view, list view, and the interesting thing is there is a map view. If I click here, I can see based on the location what are the tasks I want to do today based on the locations. So on the left side you can see here. Then in the map it will show all the locations I have to visit. Actually, field service module is used for the on-site visits and the maintenance or repairs, mainly for the technicians. Then we have Gantt view. Then this is basically for the planning purpose, and there are other different views as well. So let me just quickly summarize the menus and the functionalities. If you go to the configuration side, we have the option for the settings. Inside the settings, we have time and material invoicing. We can invoice based on the time or material. Then extra quotations. If we have any task or anything which is like value added service, then we can enable this option. We can create the quotations. Then worksheet templates, mainly for the to prepare the worksheets or either checklist or the diagrams or anything which is helpful for the technician to perform the task. Then project, all the projects are defined here. Then stages, different stages. Then worksheet templates. Then products. Then we have tags and activity types and activity plans. Then in the reporting we have task analysis. So we will have the measures here: allocated time, days to deadline, overtime, then progress. Then also here we have all the group by and filters. Then planning we have 4 options by user. If I take the planning based on the users, on the left side you can see the employees. Then right side it will show this is the weekly planning. If I take the monthly planning, I can see based on the month. Then based on the project, each project wise how it is aligned. Then worksheet by worksheet template. Then by location, based on the locations. Then all task, we can see all the tasks which is assigned to different employees, their priority, title, worksheet template, customer name, who is assigned, time span, progress, next activity. There are more options here. Then to schedule, this is for the to schedule or assign. The task is created but it is not assigned to anyone. Then we have to invoice, actually whatever the task which is in the invoicing stage. Then we have my task and map, both is there. So if I open the task, I can see all my tasks which is assigned to me. Then if I open the map, I can see the same task based on the map. So let's go to the all task. If I have for example if the company is a facility management company or a technical service company or whatever the industry, then normally what we'll do, we will have a project. For example, we are providing technical support or technical service to a medical equipment. We are providing the technical support to the medical equipments, and our company is providing different medical equipments for different locations or customers or projects. So we will create here different projects. Then we will assign the task under this project. So these tasks are assigned to different employees or assignees. So let me create one task here. I will take all tasks and create new. Then that time here you can see I have to describe the title of the task, then worksheet template. If you have any checklist or any guidance or any diagrams, we can add it here. Then you have to mention the customer name, and I have to mention the assignee. We can assign multiple assignees. Then time spent, which is the next one. So for example, if I open this this task, this is already assigned to Michelle admin, and priority is there. Project is the field service, and customer name is there, contact number, and some of the equipments we are providing to the customer under warranty. So if I click here under warranty, then we can understand this is under warranty, and we cannot charge any extra because we already have a contract or AMC contract with the customer. So then we have a planned date, basically how long it should take to complete that task. Here it is 2 hours. Then allocated time, we can put like 2 hours. Then we will have the understanding of the progress of the work. Then once this assigned, the assignee, the Michelle admin will log in, and he can see this is the task is assigned to me, and these are the details. Then he will click on start. Then he will start working on that. Then in the timesheet, you can see here the employee name is tagged, description, and time spent is 0 now. Then the real timer is there. Once it is finished, he can click on stop. Then we can add the time as well, log time. Now the 15 minutes is logged here. Then again he can start, option is here if you need to work more again. Then for example, if you are using any spare parts or any other products which is available in our inventory, so we can go to the products, we can add that particular product, for example screw, then which is added here. So automatically using this product, the system will create one sales order along with the item name, quantity, and price, which is defined in the the product. So we can invoice for that the extra used products, normal flow. Then if I come back, if the work is completed, and here you can see the stages we can move as done stage. Then there will be sign report and send report. We can send this report to the client by mail or PDF through the system or whatever it is. Then there is an option to sign report. So sign report means this is the task name and project, everything is there. There is an option sign report, so the customer can sign or the technician can sign. Then depends on the workflow of the company. Then once it is done, then the work is closed, we can put as mark as done. Now we will have an option to create the invoice against this work. So create invoice. So there is 2 invoices. One is for the the extra used material, and other one is for the service. Then if I click on create invoice, then which is the normal the invoice flow, this can be done. So now here you can see we didn't create the invoice for the other one item, extra used item, so automatically those item also comes under the same invoice. So this is how the task we can assign the task to the technicians, and if they completed, we can invoice to the customer, those kind of things. Then the planning also here. Suppose if you want to plan for a next month, 1 month prior, then I can create a new, then I have to add the task, then the plan, everything is there. Basically it's a task window only, but based on the planned date, the planning window will show how it is. Then regarding the locations, if we want to add the locations, we have to mention latitude and longitude for the customer. So here if I take here open, I can see our company or our customer is, if I open this task, this is our customer. If I open this, under the partner assignment, I already added the latitude and longitude. So based on this, the map will reflect the location view and all. Then if I click on view itinerary, then it will show how it is from the current locations. So this is how the field service module working. Then even the worksheet and everything we can design using Studio, or we can predefine it, what is a worksheet and those kind of things. So that's it. So thank you.